the prosecution going tediously through the crime scene evidence. What's your take?
That is a step-by-step methodical introduction of DNA evidence that we just listened to. It can sometimes be a little hard to listen to in terms of following it, but it's important evidence that shows, where, Mr. Wiggins' blood was found, or, DNA was found, and it kind of just puts it all together in terms of what is literally becoming a pile of evidence, not just with eyewitness testimony and camera testimony and even a confession. So this case is really coming out to be a pile of evidence. I don't see where it's going to go well for the defense at all.
I agree with you. And again, we listened to those opening statements yesterday. The defense saying, yes, you will see that the defendant admitted to this murder. You will watch it on body cam video of the victim in the case. And so the strategy here is just to fight for his life in the sentencing phase. The defense not even going to put on any evidence in the guilt phase. We've only seen Christa them really cross-examine a couple of the witnesses so far, pointing out just a couple of minor things, which I think there was an important cross earlier this afternoon when the witness talked about what was found in the wallet of Mr. Wiggins, just to show the jury that he has children, he has a family, try to humanize him a little bit. So I can already kind of see that strategy. Really, do you think that's the best way to handle this? Because based on this evidence, I don't think the jury's going to like this guy at all.
Well, yeah, I think you're actually very correct here. The evidence is not coming in well for the defense at all. I think what we're seeing is, this is about maybe trying to negotiate a plea during trial, or it's about trying to maybe chip away a little bit about premeditation. Although, premeditation can be formed in an instant right at the time of the killing. So I don't think that they're going to have much luck there. I think that the defense was very smart on not crossing some of the witnesses that they chose not to cross, or to cross very little. A lot of times when you have particularly very emotional witnesses, it can do you more harm than good than to come in and attack a witness, so to speak, or to even cross-examine them at all. I think that actually hurts the credibility of the defense attorney in the case, which in turn will bleed over into the defendant during the sentencing phase of this trial.